Are you experiencing the frustration of a boiler that just won't seem to respond to your thermostat? You're not alone. A thermostat that doesn't communicate effectively with your boiler might be caused faulty wiring, calibration issues, or an unstable power supply. At Warmable, we understand the importance of a well-functioning heating system. If your boiler isn't responding to your thermostat, it's time to take the first step towards a solution. Just fill out our quick form, and we'll connect you with a local specialist who can provide you with a customized boiler repair quote today.